Hey YouTube, it's Real Loyalty again. Today I'm gonna sing Jamie Foxx Wedding Vows, but with the instrumental. Tell me what you think. I hope you liked the last video. Thank you. God bless.
Well, it's been 5 years, can't go back. I did, because I'm just so happy I'm marrying an angel today. Oh, and as I take your hand, I pledge to be your man. I vow to love, to hold, to cherish, and never disrespect the love we share. I'll be honest, I cannot lie. There'll be real good days, there'll be some bad times. I'll be standing right beside you, my sweet lady, me and the love of mine. No, 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 no. And as I take this ring, and I place it on your sweet, lovely hand, and we will show our kids, and they will tell their kids what mom and daddy did on the day I married